everyone! I am about to do something very, very brave. One thing that has been on my bucket list since before I can even remember is to dye my hair purple. Purple's my favorite color. But guess what? Now I work from home. So if I screw it all up, that'd be alright. Ain't nobody see me. I ain't scared. So you're asking Ashley, or Crashly, why do you have such an afro going on? Thank you. I do have an afro. I have the frizziest hair ever. I do. I haven't washed my hair since yesterday morning. So this is how my poofy frizzy hair turns out after not washing it for a day. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple using Arctic Fox. Arctic Fox, and it says Violet Dream. And what's cool about Arctic Fox is it has no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl, alcohol, and no PPD, whatever the hell that is. Also, it's vegan. This hair dye is vegan. Meaning, the product is not tested on animals. Some people consider me an animal, like a magical unicorn or something, that kind of animal. Made in USA, not tested on animals. And the instructions on here basically just say use only as directed. I guess you could use this for other things other than dyeing your hair. Don't do that, y'all. Anyway, shampoo, hair, and dry. So I combed out my hair really well because it's this crazy mess, and I'm going to shampoo it without putting conditioner in it, which I don't think I've ever done. So I figure that's going to be really hard to get the tangles out, right? So I combed it before, and I'm about to go shampoo it. Anyway, and you have to dry completely. And it says apply petroleum jelly around hairline to prevent staining. I'm a risk taker. Stain my face. I dare you. I don't really care. I'll take a purple face. Just kidding. But I probably won't put the petroleum jelly around my face because I don't have any and I just don't care that much. Anyway, wear protective gloves, apply color evenly, working in small sections, and leave in for at least 30 minutes. For best results, wear hair or put a plastic cap on and process with heat. Blow dry up to 15 minutes. Rinse hair in cold water away from face. Color will fade with each shampoo and may last longer depending upon hair type. Condition. And then, products and styling. All right. And this is semi-permanent hair coloring. So it will be in forever. Obviously, it will fade after so many washes. And my hair is very dark brown. So hopefully this shows up. I'm not going to pre-treat my hair. I'm not going to bleach my hair. That's crazy. Not going to happen. This is my natural dark brown hair. So this is how it is before, y'all. Dark brown, big and poofy. This is my hair. And it's about to be this purple flow of beautifulness. I'm gonna have purple hair, y'all. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm gonna go shampoo my hair. Not condition, just shampoo. Be right back. All right, I just washed my hair just with shampoo. Now you can kind of see it's still a little damp. I gotta wait for it to dry completely. But this is what it looks like with just shampoo. Like I said, it's still a little wet. But as you can see, there's a lot of hair here. I don't know what to do with it ever. But you can see my afro kind of start to form here. This is what my hair is like with no products, shampooed. This is how it dries. I was going to blow dry it, but guys, if I were to blow dry my hair, it would literally be this big. That's what I'm dealing with. So I'm just going to let this run its course. So you can see the ends are still like just a wee bit wet. But yeah, this is it. So after this dries, then I'll come back and we'll apply the color. All right, so it is completely dry, nice and poofy, and you probably want to know what I got going on here, right? So I was worried. I bought the, where'd it go? Here. I bought the smaller ones of these, and this one is 4 fluid ounces. Apparently they make an 8. I have a lot of hair, so I was really concerned I wouldn't have enough to do my entire hair. So I parted my hair. I just took the back half and put it in this bun here, and I have one side, I split the top half in half. I have this side up, pulled back, so I'm going to start doing this side first. So I'm really nervous but excited at the same time. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna take my glasses off here, and like I said, I don't have any petroleum jelly, so I'm just going to be careful, and I have this wet cloth in case it gets on my face a little too much. A little bit, I don't care. But that is that, and I also have gloves. I don't want purple hands that much. I do a lot of videos with my hands, you know? I'm gonna take my wedding ring off. I'm sorry, Kerwin. That was weird, sorry. I'm going to record the whole thing, but I will probably speed it up once I start getting this going. I'm going in. Just kidding. Just kidding. These are some big old Bahama Mama gloves. I found these in our medicine cabinet. Yeah, that feels weird. Yeah, see how frizzy this is? Oh, and if you see me looking down, it's because I have a big old mirror right here on my desk. That's why. Just saying. All right, let's pop this sucker open. So it doesn't have any chemicals in it, so it shouldn't stink. Oh my god, it smells like grapes. I probably shouldn't huff it, huh? But you know, the hair dye smell is not there. It smells like grapes. I ain't lying. Anyway, let's do this. So I have it split up into half. I'm just going to start on this side here, and then I will take this ponytail down and then switch. This is going to be awesome. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. There we go. Okay, ready? Ready. I also read that Arctic Fox makes diluters that you can mix the colors with. I didn't get diluters. And I don't really know if I'm supposed to put this straight in my hair or in my hand. I can't get it to come out. That's because it's sealed. Leave it to Crashly to screw up opening a bottle. You know what? I think it's child-proof. Let me find something to stab it with. That's right. I just stabbed it. That's how I roll in life. I still smelled the hint of grape. So now I'm wondering what it smells like now that it's unsealed. Oh gosh! You know, it kind of smells like that cherry cough syrup. You know, it doesn't really stink. It tastes like, you know, god awful. But you know that smell? Or that red throat spray that you get and you spray in the back of your throat to numb it when you have a sore throat. That's what it smells like. Okay, we're not gonna huff the hair dye, but it doesn't stink. So now I'm gonna put some on my hand. Ooh. That's what it looks like. I don't know if it's capturing it. It's hard. Okay. Here goes nothing, you guys. High five. No? Okay. I'm just gonna start at the bottom. It's all over now, you know? There's no going back. It's so freeing. I don't know how much I'm supposed to do. Oh yeah, they said 2 layers, whatever that means. I'm just gonna soak the crap out of it. I mean, one of the coolest parts about Arctic Fox though is it comes ready to use right out of the bottle. So I'll probably speed the video up here. So I'm really concerned about not having enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this down. And I'm just going to focus on doing my ends more, just in case if all else fails, I'll have, you know, half of this purple. Because I only got the smaller thing like an idiot. I'm going to speed back up. That was a lot of rubbing in. Oh man, I guess my gloves broke. That's alright. Again, I've never been scared of a little mess. I'm trying to clean my head up a little. not too bad. Again, I work from home, so if I have a little bit of face stain, I'm not scared. And the box said to leave on for 30 minutes. And I used that whole bottle, by the way. That whole bottle is in my hair, which is 4 fluid ounces of this Arctic Fox semi-permanent hair color. Not really sure how it got on my chin, but whatever. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes. I really hope it comes out. I don't know if it's going to actually be purple on my really dark hair, but we will see. All right, I will see you on the flip side. Well, folks, here it is. As you can see, it didn't quite show up, but I did not pre-lighten my hair, so that's something too. But let me try to get this light to shine on it a little bit. Yeah, you still can't really tell. So just from, I'm gonna turn this light off to see if that changes anything. Just from looking at it in the mirror before and after, I do see a reddish purple tint, but it is not the vibrant purple that I thought it was going to be. But it's there. I still like it. It's still different. It's just, I may have to bleach my hair in the next go round, but I still like it. It's different. So here it is. See ya.